Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to implement new questions. That is write a Java program for calculating ASCII value of a character. This is the very interesting questions which is asking in the interviews as well. So you have to must focus on these questions because a question is very easy. But the question reading is might be getting confused what they are saying. If you know how what is the ASCII values, then you can easily to solve that. But before that, you have to know two things. First one is ASCII values, and second one is order of primitive data. So what is the order of the primitive data? So the order of primitive data is byte. Okay, byte, then short, short, then int, then float, float, sorry, not float, uh, long, float, and double over here. This is the range of lower range to higher range of primitive data. Why we know this? Because where is char is stand for the char is stand for the between the short and int like that. So as you can see here, char is lower than less than of int because the value of char is I think 16 byte and the int is 32 bit, not byte, bit. Char is a 16 bit and int is a 32 bit. That means char is lesser. Now what we have to do, if you remember my uh, videos of typecasting operators, then you can easily to understand what is happening here. We just use that typecasting here. So let's implement this. First of all, we need a char. The variable name is ch is equal to just take uh, a over here. And I want to know that what is the ASCII value of this a. For that, if you are performing the lower range data to higher range data conversion, you don't have to care about the anything. You just use that int. One variable, just take ASCII ASCII is equal to ch. That means the values which is ch is coming inside of this ASCII. But what if char is a higher range of data into as compared to int? In that condition, you have to use the typecast operators like uh, inside of this. Just type this int. So you have to convert this data into the integer type. But we know that the higher range data is int and char is lesser. That's why we don't need a typecast operator over here. After this, you just need to sys out a value of the ASCII. Let's take the ASCII values. ASCII is not professionally sounds good. So let's take ASCII value is equal to ch. Now, now inside of the system dot out dot println, just type in the double quotes, ASCII values. ASCII value of then then plus ch for the what alphabet you have to check that ASCII values for that ch. Then again plus and inside of double quotes is and then plus and the as in the ASCII values. The ASCII value of ch ASCII value of A is what we have. Let's run it and check it. What we'll be getting. I think 65 is the ASCII values of the capital A. See, the ASCII value of A is 65. That is called the Unicode values storing the in the char type of variable. So let's take one more. Let's I want to check that what is the ASCII value of Z. The ASCII value of Z is 122. When we in the previously program we were checking that uh, vowel, and that programs we just use that if else conditions, and where use that when the if A is greater than Z, like that. So it's actually comparing the ASCII values. The A is 65. Starting from the A and Z is 122. Under this executions, you have to check how many how many vowels is present, or is that a vowel or consonant. That is why we need a char over here. A char is stored the ASCII values. Let's run it again and see. The ASCII value of Z is 122. What if we enter the hash over here? Let's take hash here and run it. The ASCII value of hash is 35. That's good, amazing, and you can check more than else. Other ASCII values like special character of, let's take a dollar over here and check it. See, the ASCII value of dollar is 36. Our program is working fine, and you will understand this how it's working. I hope you will like this videos. Thank you for watching Coding Pills, just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.